this is the first box I just put here in the table so I can sort these models. And there is another. Now let me tell you first before we proceed. Here is the reason these are as they are. I used to buy them as lots of models and put them for sale, the best ones, the ones that were expensive at the time. So I started this on 2000, I think it was 10 or 11, and then I sold on eBay for 8 years, and I stopped and I began to do the YouTube videos. But now I have a lot of these, and I will put them on different boxes. Let's say these models in a specific box so I can find them, Thomas's and everything, blah blah blah. And it takes time. So the reason also you find this here are because I used to get the parts at the beginning from the cheapest ones. Let's say Rosty's, Percy's. I used to get the parts from, let's say, Percy, and because for Percy at the time I sell them for $5, $4, and then I used to get the motors or the gears, I mean the axles for the let's say Lady, that cost a little bit more, or for Duncan costed like $12 back in the days. And I end up with a lot of parts here. So this is the first box. I'm going to sort these things out. And I have a lot of cards here, a lot of parts. So since I was in a rush because I was also bidding on the Thomas lots, I just, like I said, I just use the best ones, clean them, put them for sale, fix some of those. And then I continue and I put them in the garage, and that's why I ended up with a lot of parts. But anyways, now that I have the gears, I can fix a lot of these and put them for sale soon. I have a lot of gears and motors and everything, gearboxes. Here's a wood motor, I think. This one, I think, was this looks like a glow in the dark, but it's not. So here's one salty. Yeah, so I think it's better to put battery terminal, spring battery terminal for those. Here's one remote control Thomas. And anyways, so yes, I will put them for different boxes. This is some sparks and things, Thomas. I forgot the title of this one. This is a broken Edward. Where is the, oh yeah, right here is the tender. This is the Gordon's tender. Here is the Edward's tender. So this is the Edward, the broken Edward. I have a lot of broken models. It's a good tender, but it's not the same color. I found a bolster. Needs some cleaning. Mr. Bubbles car. Very bad condition. The decals are very bad shape. And I found some diesel shells. Trackmaster. Oh, this one, what? On one side is okay and the other one is gone. I don't know how these end up here. Maybe there's corrosion on this billy. The decals are okay. Fling. Oh man. So this is the way I used to get them. I never do anything bad to this. You know, when the kids play, they just leave them sometimes in the rain or in the snow, and then they get corrosion, or they play with them in the water. Here are some Chuggington things, because they sell them with the lot and it comes with everything. I never stick to the Chuggington. These are Geotracks. It's a big one, chunky Harold. I think it was for toddlers. Yes. Percy. There's another Percy. I think I saw a shelf here. Yeah, shelf right there. There's some Thomases. What's this? It's a diesel. This is not the chassis for this diesel here. Is this the same? I don't know. Bert, Harry, I don't know. And here is a Bulgy. I'm pretty sure these models, most of these, they're just noisy, but the gear for this, for this model is hard to find. I haven't had a look to find it. The motor, the electric motor that has the gear, it's you cannot find it. I tried. I don't know. If someone has luck, then that's good for him. I see handle parts, Donald Douglas. I think this one is Mattel. Yeah, this one Hit Toy Company. I think. James Tender. Toby. Here's a James. James needs a coupling and rewiring. Remote control Thomas. Ferdinand. I'm pretty sure I got the motors or the parts for these models, and like I said, and I just leave them in the boxes. This was from Arthur and the coal mine or something. Yeah, tornado something, I don't know. Twister set, I don't know what part was that. These are some really bad shape. Freddy. Yeah, I made the decal for this, but by the time I end up with the decals, I stopped trying to fix them because it takes time, and it's not worth it. The price on eBay, by the time I sell them, I don't know what price are they right now. But I'm gonna start to sort these models in different. Oh yeah, here is the Sparks and something Thomas, and it does have a light right between the wheels, right there. Camera does not focus, right there. And I think there's another version. This version does not have the LED light between the wheels, right here. I hope you can see the difference. Yeah, right there. See, the light's right over here, right there, and this does not have a light, and both are Sparks and something. And I think I found a Percy that does the same thing somewhere. I found a glow in the dark Thomas, good one. There's a Gordon too, Revolutions. Tolkien Victor, Emily. This is the way I found them. A Harold with broken blade. This is ERTL. And I think, well, what was this? I really forgot the what part of set was this. Some sort of build or something, I don't know. Broken Emily. I do have a lot of broken models. I can make videos like a broken toys, Thomas toys. I do have them. I don't have the pictures. I do have them physical models. So I found a lot of steam along models. Since I've been moving around a lot, there's a fling. I need to sort these. These are parts here. Oh, look at this skiff, and it's not bad, just needs some cleaning. Skiff, I think one of these has some sort of chest parts. This one it's heavy. Tomy, I think it's from Pla-rail or something, I guess. Yeah. Also, see the Topham hat, and I think I'm going to start to, yeah, here is the other I was talking about, Percy, Sparks and something. It does have the LED light between the wheel and the chassis. Needs some cleaning. So this is so far what I found in that box, and then I'm gonna continue with the other boxes. I wanna just sort these models in specific boxes. Steam Along in one, Thomas is in the other one, Percy's another one, so that way I could find them. Yeah, okay,